Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get free mockup templates and use it on any logo design, any text effects, any 3D text effects at all, anything that you want to use this mockup on. You can actually get it down in just some few steps. All right. So in this video, we are going to learn how to do this in Photopea. So Photopea has a lot of templates to offer. So I'm just diving right into the video. Okay, guys, this is the interface of the Photopea. So if you open the Photopea, you have so many options to choose from. You can start a new project, you can open from computer or choose a template. Now, since this video is about getting a mockup, we are going to use this template right here. So I'll click on the template and allow it to load. Okay. Okay. So now that it has loaded, you see different categories from here to choose from. You can see mockups here, you can see mobile web, and so many options right here. So the first one is what we are interested in, the mockup. So if you see this side, we have different mockups right here. We have gold logo, we have different mockups here. So you can actually choose from these mockups. They are all for free, okay? Then you can edit them and put your logo or your text effects in here and update it. Then your logo or your text will be ready in just a few steps. Okay, so let me quickly choose one that I like. I think I like this one, so I'll just click on this and show you how you can edit this mockup for free. All right, so I'll click on it and allow it to load once more. All right, so we are now in Photopea. So first of all, before we get into the video, let me lock this layer. All right, so I'll lock this. I'll close the layer so that you can see everything clearly. Okay, so from here, you can click on this layers icon here, this one. Click on it to open it. Now you can see the different layers that's the owner used to design this mockup. Okay, what we are interested in is where your logo is. Your logo here, you see. So I'm going to click on this thumbnail right here twice. Okay, you double click on it and it will load like this. Okay, so I'm going to close it so that it can be looking like this. Okay, so this is what we are interested in. Now we would like to hide this thing and create our own. Okay, so I'll come back to my layers panel and I'll click on this eye icon here. I'll click on it to hide it. Now I can now go to my gallery and import the logo that I want to bring onto the canvas. Okay, now for the sake of this tutorial, I've created a very simple logo in Pixel Lab just for the demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to my files to import this into my gallery, into Photopea, sorry. So I'll click on open and place and I'll click on files and bring it right into the Photopea. Okay, so here is it. This is what I've created in Pixel Lab. Very simple one at that matter. So I'll wait for it to load. Yes, it has loaded. So in order for you to make the design big enough, you have to increase the size if you want to. So right now I want to increase the size of this logo and reposition it right in the middle. Okay, so this is something simple that I've created in Pixel Lab, like I said, and I've repositioned it. Now the next thing I want to do from here is that I'll go to this file icon here. Please pay attention to this video. I'll click on this file. I'll come to this one that says save smart object. So I'm going to save as smart object, or you can click Ctrl+X on your keyboard to save it. Okay, so I'll click on it and wait till it's load. Okay, so it has updated. All right, now if you have watched the video up to this point, please consider subscribing to my channel, because on this channel I create videos like this, and if you are subscribed, you get more of the content that you want. All right, so after it has been updated, you can now click on this one that's a 3D logo mockup. Okay, click on it once and allow it to load. Now you can see our logo is now placed at the background like that. See, you see, yes, now we have our mockup logo. So you can import it like this, or if you choose to remove the background from this image, it's very simple. You can click on this image and go to select like this and remove the background automatically, or you can come back to this panel, come back to the layers panel, and you look for the background, which is, I think, this one, and you hide the background. You see, so once you hide it, you'll be able to see your logo from here. You see, here's my logo. It's very small. you can choose to enlarge it. Okay, sorry, let me redo this. Let me undo it rather. So from here, because the logo is very small, I can choose to enlarge it or save it like this. Okay, then I want to save it as PDF. So you click on File, then you come to Save As. You click on Save As and click on PNG. Alright, so this is how you can save it. You can just change the name or the formats if you want to get a different format. Then you click on Save. It's this simple, okay? So here it is. So in order for me to text this, I will come to my Pixel Lab once more and check if it is looking nice on my Pixel Lab. Alright, so I'll come to my Pixel Lab because I like using Pixel Lab a lot. It's not here. I like using Pixel Lab a lot. So I will click on it, and this is it. Okay, so let me delete this one because I have this one already and import the new one. Okay, so I'm going to my gallery. Yes, I'm going to my gallery to import this. Okay, so here is it. You can choose to crop like this, and check it. As you can see, guys, this is my logo. This is looking very dark because of the effects on the original mockup. So make sure you choose the right mockup for your design. Okay, so just like the first one that I did, that I just deleted, this one, you see how clean it is looking. All right, so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in my next video. Bye.